Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll tell you the most popular course, Machine Learning with Python. Open the link in the description as shown and click on Start the free course. If you don't have an account, please do create your account. If you have your account, sign in with your credentials. Enter your email as shown in the video. Now enter your password. Now click on sign in. After signing in, it will direct it to a page like this. Now click on go to class. As you can see the course overview structure. It's a very popular course friends, so I would like to recommend you to do this course. Click on progress. Here you can see. Go to module 1 and click on graded review questions. Slowly scroll down below to see the questions. For the first question, the answer is true. Click on submit for each and every question. Don't forget. For the second question, the answer is the last option. For the third question, the answer is the second option. Now go to progress tab by clicking on the progress. Now go to module 2 and click on graded review questions. For the first question, the answer is true. For the second question, the answer is first option. For the third question, the answer is the first option. Now again go to module 3. And click on graded review questions once again. For the first question, the answer is the first option. For the second question, the answer is true. For the third question, the answer is true. Now click on progress. And go to module 4. And click on graded review questions once again. For the first question, the answer is the third option. For the second question, the answer is false. For the third option, the answer is the first option. Now click on progress. And scroll down below to go to the module 5. In the module 5, click on graded review questions. For the first question, the answer is true. For the second question, the answer will be the first option only. For the third question, second option is the correct. Now click on progress and go and give your final exam. Now go to final exam session. Now click on Final Exam. Now once again click on I am ready to start this timed exam. For the first question, the answer is true. For the second question, the answer is false. For the third question, the answers are the first option, second option, and the last option. For the fourth question, the answer is true. For the fifth question, the answer is the fourth option. For the sixth question, the answer is the first option. For the seventh question, the answer is true. For eighth question, the answer is the first option and the second option. For the ninth question, the answer is true. For the 10th question, the answer is the first option. For the 11th question, the answer is true. For 12th question, the answer is the fourth option. For 13th question, the answer is the first option. For 14th question, the answer is the first option, second option, and the third option. For 15th question, the answer is false. For 16th question, the answer is the first option and the third option. For 17th question, the answer is the first option. For 18th question, the answer is true. For 19th question, the answer is the first option, second option, and the last option. For the 20th question, the answer is false. Check that whether you have clicked submit for every answer. After that, simply click on End My Exam. Now once again click on Yes, Submit My Timed Exam. After successful completion, just go to Progress tab and you can see Request Certificate. Click on Request Certificate. Now click on View Certificate once again. You can see the certificate with a QR code, and below there is a credential URL. To claim badge for the machine learning with Python, scroll down in the progress session at the last, where you will find certificates and badges. Click on certificates and badges. Here you can see the badge. Now click on claim badge. After clicking on claim badge, you will get an email within 5 minutes which are given to your account. Check your email as shown in the video. Open the email. Where you can find congratulations you have earned. Now click on view details. Here is the badge which I got for the machine learning with Python from IBM. This badge can be shown in your resume and for your interview purpose. You can also share your badge in LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter. To earn more these kind of badges, you have to do courses which are in this YouTube channel. If you don't have an Uclaim account, please do create so that it will be helpful for your future purpose. If you want to verify this badge, click on verify. As you can see, the badge is verified. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.